One owner from new, 2015 Eriba 540 GT. Finished in crystal silver, the bodywork on this vehicle is in exceptional condition for its age. You can really tell that the previous owners cherished and loved it. On the opposite side of the door, you'll see the Tetford cassette toilet housing, the mains power inlet, the alloy wheels and mover. At the rear of the van, once again, the exterior bodywork's in good condition. On the door side, you've got the external stowage hatch to your left-hand side. You've got your alloy wheels and your motor mover, external table rail, retractable entrance step, entrance door bin, side fly screen door. This vehicle's finished in Castello fabric, which is neutral and non-offensive. You've got a front dinette that converts into a third berth should you wish. Tetford cassette toilet, once again LED lighting all the way around on this vehicle. In the kitchen area, you've got a three-way fridge, so gas, electrical from the car, 2-burner hob and stainless steel sink. Just to the other side, you've got a gas convector heater along with plenty of wardrobe space. Then at the rear of the van, the multi-function bed. A pull-out slatted bed setup that you can utilise as 2 singles, 2 big singles or a king-size double with a freestanding table. And you'll see LED lighting all the way around. This vehicle is advertised for sale. For any questions, give us a call on 01202 600 701. Many thanks.